In this data annotation tech review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make money using this website. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if data annotation tech is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that has helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So now let's get started with Data Annotation Tech. So this website claims that you can be finding remote jobs from your comfort of your home, and you can work from your home and you can get paid almost $20 an hour. So I'm going to be telling you guys if this is true or not. First of all, the jobs that you're going to be getting is basically you're going to be helping AI to become even better. So you're basically answering a lot of questions and answers to make AI advanced. So you are going to be getting all these jobs. So these jobs can be survey, or maybe you will have an image and you will have to identify what that image is, or you have to identify if the image is sexual or not sexual. So basically what you're doing in this website is that you're basically helping AI to advance for these companies so these AI tools can work efficiently. So that's how it works. So this website claims millions are paid out and you can get up to $20 an hour and almost 100,000 members. So that's kind of cool to have almost 100,000 members in their community. And the way it works is first you have to create an account. So the thing is that if you are not based in the US, Canada, UK, Ireland and New Zealand and Australia, you can't be making or you can't be creating this account. You can create an account but you won't potentially get any job offers. But if you are from the US, Canada, UK, Ireland, New Zealand and Australia, then you can definitely create an account and you can get jobs based on your profile. So for the people who are not based in these countries, I would like to suggest you another strategy which I'm going to be telling you towards the end of this video. So after you have created your account, you are going to be taken to a starter assessment. So you will have to pass this and they will notify you via email. So the starter assessment is going to probably take about 1 hour to 1.5 hours. So many people have already complained that it takes a lot of time to actually complete this profile, but I suggest you guys that you guys fill in the details very correctly and very accurately, because based on your profile they are going to be suggesting you all these job profiles. So if you want to get jobs frequently, I suggest you take all the very time to actually complete everything currently. So make sure you give a greater focus on the profile section, and after that you will get accepted and you can start earning. And some of the FAQs I would like to remind you is that, so I would like to tell you some of the projects that you are going to be getting. So most of the projects are going to be survey type, as I've told you, and you might be interacting with chatbots so that the chatbot AI can advance even further, and also you'll be doing creative writing tasks and much more. So these are some of the projects that you will be doing. And how much you can get paid? You can get paid up to $20 per hour for writing and general AI training projects, and you can get paid almost $40 for coding project. So first of all, I would like to tell you guys that for the coding project you will need to have a good experience in coding, otherwise they are probably not going to select you. So you need to have a good experience in the coding industry. And the way you can get paid is that you need to have this PayPal account. So as I've mentioned all the countries that I have told, so it's over here. So if you are based on these countries, you can definitely sign up to a PayPal account. The thing I have found in Data Annotation Tech is that a lot of people are finding this website absolutely useful and many people are getting a lot of jobs, whereas some other people are not getting getting the jobs, or they are not even hearing from this data annotation tech. So some people find it extremely useful, some people are getting paid a lot, whereas some other people are not getting so in order to find this out, I have gone to a website called Trustpilot. So in this website, basically you can get the trust score of a particular website. So the trust score of this website is 3.6. So the thing about 3.6 is that anything above 4 star in a website like Trustpilot is actually kind of bad if you look at it. So 3.6 is not that good, because I would consider a good website if only it has above 4 star review. So I have gone to some of the 5 star reviews, and they have excellent reviews. Like, they are saying very pleasant experience all around, would recommend. Working for DA has been a game changer. He has been working for almost 6 months and he enjoyed it pretty much. And if you look at this guy, he says data annotation project work is the work freedom I have been looking for. So a lot of people have been getting jobs and they have been getting good money from this website called DataAnnotation.Tech. But if you actually look at some of the 1 star, the main problem is that a lot of people are, not getting the jobs that they have claimed to get, because once they have completed, this assessment, so the starter assessment, after they have completed this 1.5 hour of starter assessment, and after they have gotten, they don't hear from this company. So that's a big problem. A lot of people don't hear from this company. See, it says it was great until they scammed me. This guy got accepted in stage 1 and then nothing. So this is like most of the 1 star reviews. And the reason why I think this is happening because is the supply and demand of this website right over here. So if you go to the general FAQs, if you click on how much work will be available to me, you'll see that they say that they have a lot of projects that they have, but I don't believe the fact that they have a lot of project, because the supply and demand can vary a lot. Because I personally think the demand side of data annotation tech is pretty high. Because a lot of people are coming here and signing up. So the amount of project that you're going to be getting once you have logged in to this website is going to be pretty low. So some people have never heard from this particular website. Some people just get, accepted for the stage 1 and they never hear from them ever again. Some say stressful, very unreliable, then not a single work project proposed to me in more than 3 weeks. So guys, this really tells a lot about the supply and demand of this particular website right over here. So overall, I think Data Annotation Tech is a legitimate website. It is very cool for people who are lucky and got accepted for their job, whereas some people are not getting those jobs. So overall, it is a 50-50 chance. I wouldn't really recommend for people who just, are not looking to waste their time or anything like that. But if you want to do a gamble and, maybe just go ahead and do a 1 hour and 1.5 hour test, then you can give it a shot by giving it a try. So that's basically what I have found about this website called Data Annotation Tech. Now, for the people who are not from these 5 countries, I would like to suggest you another strategy of mine, which is basically a free affiliate marketing guide. So it's absolutely free. You don't have to pay or anything. You can visit it by clicking the first link in the description. It's an absolutely free guide, and it has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month. If you want to click this strategy, you can click the first link in the description. And I hope to see you on another review video.